Hey guys, Mrs. Traver here. Today we're going to talk about solving systems of equations, and the first time we're going to do it, we're going to do the graphing method. We'll take notes on that today, and then I'll show you your Delta Math assignment you'll do today. Let's jump in. A system of equation is something we haven't talked about before, but it's made up of something we talked a lot about. So when we have a system of equations, what we mean is we have two equations, and when we have a system of them, we want to find the solution when they cross. So really, there's two lines, and they cross somewhere. Their answer is where they cross. So we just have to plot both of them. My first one here is y equals negative 2x minus 3. So I'm going to start with my y-intercept at negative 3. And then I'm going to use my slope, negative 2, which looks like negative 2 over 1 to me, to go down 2, right 1, down 2, wait a second, it is negative 2, yeah, down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, and I'm going to do this all the way out. It is really important with system of equations to mark it out as far as you can go. Whoa. If I can draw a straight line, that's also super, what the heck? Okay, what the hell? When doing a system of equations, it's important that you do your best to write out every single point. I'm a little shaky on connecting them on screen with this tablet, but give me a break on that and it'll be okay. So there's my first one. I did it in blue. If you have colors, it's nice to do the other one in the second color. So here's the next one in red. I'm going to start with my y-intercept at positive 2. And I'm going to go up 1 over 2 for this one. I'm going to go as far out as I can both directions, and then connect the dots. That one was better. Now again, our solution is where they cross. So right here, they cross, and that point is negative 2, 1. That is my answer. That's all you've got to do for graphing method of system of equations is graph both, see what they cross. Or reduce a few more. Here's another one. I'll start with red this time, and I'm going to start my y-intercept positive 5. My slope is 1/4, so rise 1, run 4, rise 1, run 4, or drop 1 and go left 4 is another way to do it. Alright, my other one I'll do in a different color. So I'm going to start at negative 5 for this guy. And its slope is negative, it's really negative 1 over 1 I can think of it as. So I'm going to put all these points in here, rise 1, run 1, rise 1, run 1, all the way up. So there's this line. So here's the deal about this line. Is they cross, but it's off screen. Sometimes that happens, but you can imagine how this could hit further out. Here's an idea that I have for us is imagining what would happen off screen. So I can see that they're supposed to cross out here somewhere, and we're going to learn that we need to kind of set up our graph a different way if this is the situation. So what I'm going to do actually is on this problem, instead of using this as my y-axis, I'm going to scooch it over a little bit. And I'm going to scooch my y-axis to be here. So here's my y and here's my x, and we're going to kind of ignore this guy. So I'm going to replot and do it that way. So positive 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rise 1, run 4. Rise 1, run 4. Rise 1, run 4. So I've scooched myself over quite a bit. Let's do the other one again in a different color. Starting at negative 5. And rise 1, run 1. Ooh, is it going to hit? Ooh. Almost. So you can see it looks like it hits right here. So then our point would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up. 7, 8. Let's try another. This one, let's see what happens if I start with a negative 2 for my y-intercept, rise 2, run 3, rise 2, run 3, or drop 2, left 3, drop 2, left 3. That works as well. So there's my first line. My second line. going to start at positive 1. And it says negative 1/3, so down 1, right 3. I already see my cross, but I'm going to finish my line out a little bit further. If you already see where it's going to cross, you can kind of quit there. But they cross right here at 3 to the right, none up, so 3, 0. Hopefully you're seeing the hang of this. Let's do the next one. This one starts at negative 4. And then it goes down 3, right 2, or up 3, left 2 as well. So let me get my line drawn. Man, my lines stink when I do it like that. Let me try a little bit better. I'll do my best shot here. Oh gosh, I don't know why it's not calibrated correctly. We'll call that good. The other one is x plus 1. So let's do the other guy. Starting at positive 1 and then rise 1, run 1. So it's going to do this pattern again. And it's also going to come down here. I can already see where they're going to cross. So I'll stop there. It is at negative 2, negative 1. So again, each time our answer is this point. Let's do one more. Actually, let's do one more on our assignment. So what I want you to notice is that you've got an assignment today that's on Delta Math. So let me show you what that looks like. When you log in, you will see this. I'm going to show you. I've already got it pulled up. For an example, what it looks like in Delta Math. On this 411 assignment, you'll see there's 2 bits to it. There's 5 problems. There's level 1 and 2. They're pretty much the same. Let's do one from level 1. It's got our 2 equations similar to what we had, and it says plot 2 lines by clicking the graph, and then click a line if you need to delete it. So on my first one, I'm going to put a point at positive 1. So there I am. I just literally clicked it there. And if you can see, as I move my mouse around, it's letting me choose where the next point goes. So I only really have to pop the second point, which is going to be down 1, right 2. So down 1, right 2. If I point, then there's the first line. The next one starts at negative 5. So I'll put a point there. And its slope was positive 1. So up 1 over 1, there's the line. You can see right here, it's not letting me do anything else, but if I want, I can delete this line by clicking on it and it goes away. So if I made a mistake, I can. But I didn't make a mistake, so I'll put it back. And I can see right here at 4, negative 1 is where they crossed. So I'm going to put that in with parentheses, 4, negative 1. 4, negative 1. It's important to use parentheses. If you don't, it'll mark you wrong. So that's my answer. And it says, are you sure? Yes. And we got that one right. One thing I want you to notice is it says penalty 1 off. So if you get one wrong, it lets you try again. That's pretty much it for today. You get 5 of them right on each of these, and you'll be done with your assignment. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I will see you next time. I hope you have a good weekend, and I'll see you Monday. Bye, guys.